Good morning, investors. Welcome to the 4th of June 2014 market review. As you can see, the trade for the day is called Remgro or REM. Latest trading price is R218.22. The idea of the action on this trade is to trade it from a high to a low, and we will call it a short. Entry level on this share on Remgro will be R217.55. Your target from the high to the low is R207.03. Stop loss price is R222.81. Looking at this chart, you will see the entries here close to 217.55. If it breaks it, you can go to this target on the green line of 207.03. That will give you approximately 4.84% opportunity on this trade. If it bounces and it goes back to the stop loss, that's a red line. That will be an exit level of 222.81. Going down, still the open trade at this moment. It's called Investec, still down, trading from a high to a low. Standard Bank trading from a high to a low, and Vodacom trading from a high to a low. Vodacom, the actual potential so far is 3.75%. Last traded price was 126.32, and your target is 124.11 to exit. Looking at Standard Bank, entry level was 142.31. Last traded price 140.50, and your target on this one is 134.75. Completed trades, these are trades that's been executed. Looking at the top 40 chart, you will basically see there is the green line that's support, red line is resistance. The blue line here is your actual index price, and as you can see, it's still positive in the positive trend here with the channel. Looking at the industrials, last night they came a bit down, testing this high again of 16,740. That's where it closed on Monday. And you can basically see it's coming a bit down. The futures for the US markets are about 22 points down. And J200, that's the top 40 shares, the futures for the opening at 8:30 this morning is also a bit down. But if you look at the J200 here, the top 40 shares, green and red line, still in a positive channel up there. Above this green line, that's the 21-day moving average, and it's still trading above the 23.6% here as well. So there's still a bit of upward potential happening there. Looking at ShopRite, as expected, ShopRite is still in a downward channel here. Testing this 38.2% on the level of 161.13. Currently trading at 161.14. So there's the downward channel that was expected when it was breaking the green line. Now the big question will be, will you bounce here and test previous lows, as you can see here? And if you break this level here, definitely the next low could be back to the 156 levels. So we need to see if there's going to be a bounce here in the short term, or if it breaks this 161.13 level, will it go further down? Same with Woolies. Looking at Woolies, I'm just going to enlarge here, trading between the purple line, sideways down the channel, broke the 23.6% on the 75.25 cents. Currently trading here at 73.40. Now the big question here will be as well, testing the 73.70 levels. Could there be a bit of being more downward side, close to the 72.50 levels? As you can see, there's the 72.50 levels. So we will track this one closely as well for more downward cycles. MTN. Looking at MTN, shares still trading the upward channel down at the top, testing previous highs, and as you can see, this share is going more up than down and breaking new highs every second or third day at this moment. So the share is still toppies, going high. I'm just leaving my indicators there as it is at this moment. Vodacom. Totally different scenario here. Looking at Vodacom, low, high, came down, testing this low here on the 89-day moving average. That's the red line here. And that's like a roof table on the floor. At any time it breaks this low here and this lows here of 125, the share can definitely go below to about 122. But let's see what the traction will be on this specific share in the short term. Looking at some banking sectors, Here's Barclays Bank, upward channel between the two black channels, upwards breaking down across the green line. The green line will be the 21-day moving average, getting closer to this 23.6% here. And this 23.6% could be the next low on the share. But what needs to happen? Do you see this low here and this low here? Now that is support levels in the short term. At any time if it breaks the support levels, more downside can go down. So let's test this quickly. Keep in mind there's two low levels here. I'm just going to delete all the indicators on this share this moment. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take this low here, draw it up to that low there, and there you can see testing those two low levels here. So this share, at any time if it breaks these two low levels here, it could go down and it could go back to this red line, and that's the 89 days. So we're looking here at 152 level, breaking 152, next low is 149, breaking the next low could be 146. So let's see what the direction will be on this share. Capitec. Capitec close to the 219.54, broke this downward channel, and as you can see, most of the shares that it was high, especially in the retailers and the banking sector, starting to lose momentum now. So you can see a bit of a sell-off happening here. So there's a sideways channel now starting to break down. Where's the next low on the share? 216.51. So let's see where the share can go into the short term as well. Let's pull up FirstRand. Now FirstRand still trading above this green line here. That's the 21-day moving average. At any time if it wants to go physically downwards, it needs to break this green line. Take this in mind. So I'm going to do the following here. I'm going to use a short-term Fibonacci on these two double bottoms there and that high there. Now you can see here 23.6%, and that level will be 38.82. At any time if it breaks this 38.82, more downside could be due back to about 37.23. Let's go to CFR, one of the shares we were tracking as well. Looking to break high, shares on new high levels at this moment in its history. Doing very well. Look at the 10-year chart, breaking new highs at this moment. Very toppish. We need to see if some profit taking will happen very soon in this specific trade as well. Just keep in mind, track it very closely for any movement. Otherwise, there's a lot of things that will come to the market. We will discuss it as it comes closer, and enjoy your trading day. Thank you.